There are many space heater products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best space heaters from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 10. Tabix Space Heater. Rating 4.3. Equipped with an advanced PTC ceramic heating element and high-speed fan, this small space heater blows out tons of heating wind in seconds. This 600-watt portable space heater provides faster and more efficient heating than traditional heaters, quickly warming the air surrounding you to create a warm and comfortable experience. This space heater with a dust-proof foam grid behind it offers you the cleaning heating wind. The 45 degrees oscillation feature of the electric heater covers a wider area surrounding you and prevents the too dry problem for your skin. 2. Unlike noisy heater fans that disrupt your good night's sleep, this air space heater is equipped with an advanced motor and quiet fan, producing less than 35 dB, allowing you to use it in a bedroom while sleeping without disturbance. This small heater could blow out both the heating wind for winter and the natural wind for summer. Number 9. Poloni's Space Heater. Rating 4.4. Using reliable and effective ceramic heating technology, this powerful 1500W heater quickly heats up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 3S, providing a consistent and comfortable temperature. With 26% more hot air vents, you can feel the change from cold to warm quickly and fully. Our 23-inch tower heater can cover up to 220 square feet, paired with a 75 degrees wide oscillation, helps the heat cover every corner of the room. Perfect choice for large bedrooms and large living rooms. One touch to change the temperature and mode on the digital panel. You can also use the remote control. Choose the most precise and comfortable temperature with 1F of adjustment. In addition, the extra-long 12H timer takes a lot of the hassle out of operation. Made of high-quality V0 flame-retardant materials, the US standard socket can be directly plugged into an outlet without any adapter or extension cord. Overheating and tip-over switch protection to ensure your whole family's worry-free use all day. Number 8. Gaiatop Space Heater. Rating 4.4. Gaiatop electric heater is built with 4 key safety features: overheat protection, 45 degrees tip-over auto shutoff, V0 flame-retardant materials, and an independent on-off safety switch. All-round protection gives you safe, worry-free warmth for home or office. This small space heater features a PTC ceramic heating element that rapidly reaches 140 degrees F, 60 degrees Celsius, in only 2 seconds, delivering fast, consistent warmth while using less energy. Perfect for staying cozy without spiking your power bill. Inspired by classic mid-century aesthetics, this small heater features a warm white body paired with removable wood tripod legs. While keeping you cozy, it also serves as a stylish decor piece in your bedroom, office, or living room. This small space heater offers 1000W high heat, 600W low heat, and a 10W fan mode to match your mood and the season. Ideal for chilly days or light airflow in warmer weather. Number 7. Smart Wall Heater. Rating 4.4. 120 degrees wide oscillation heating distributes warm air evenly from top to bottom, helping to bring fast heat to every corner of your room more efficiently than regular wall-mounted heaters. Schedule room heating hours to match your routine. Access your heater settings from anywhere with the Drio app, or even use your voice to control it thanks to Alexa and Google Home compatibility. Set the room temp as you like. Choose from the 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit range with an unprecedented 1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy. Drio's PTC ceramic space heater brings fast and steady heating for an exceptional comfort experience. This smart heater for the bedroom automatically adjusts its LED panel brightness to low light conditions, while it delivers warmth with lower noise, making sure nothing interrupts your sleep. Number 6. Infrared Space Heater. Rating 4.4. Enjoy customized warmth with 3 heat settings: 1, 000W, 1, 500W, and Eco Mode, ensuring optimal room comfort throughout the winter season. Thermostat and temperature control. The control system allows you to set your desired temperature, ensuring consistent and comfortable heating. Temperature range 50-90 degrees Fahrenheit. Programmable timer. The 12-hour programmable timer allows you to preset the heater to turn on or off at a specific time, providing convenience and energy savings. Remote control with LED indicator. Control the heater from a distance with the included remote control. The LED indicator on the remote provides visual feedback, ensuring hassle-free operation. Cool Touch exterior cabinet. The Cool Touch exterior cabinet ensures safe operation, even when the heater is in use. Number 5. Morento's Space Heater. Rating 4.5. Heaters for indoor use with ECO Intelligent Energy Saving Mode precisely control the temperature within 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. This space heater office will automatically adjust the heating power and can generate heat within seconds. The rotating function of the other OM heater expands the heating range. Make it a space heater for indoor use, ensuring uniform heating throughout the entire household. This space heater features a portable handle design, making it easy to carry. The space heater for indoor use features a 0-12H auto-off timer, fan-only/high power, heat/low power, heat/ECO. Our small space heater is equipped with an LED display screen. This electric heater features a fan mode for selection. These space heaters are for indoor use in bedrooms, living rooms, study rooms, and offices. Number 4. Drio Space Heater. Rating 4.5. Powered by 1500W Hyperamix Tech, this space heater for indoor use delivers warmth in just 2 seconds and produces 53.9% more heated air than traditional heaters. Vertical tilt for full body warmth. Manually tilt the portable heater from 0°-20°-40°-60°, enjoying warmth from your head to toe. Place it on a table or floor, heating wherever you need it. Enjoy peace of mind with the electric heater featuring advanced tip-over protection, V0 flame retardant materials, overheat protection, and a safety plug, all certified by ETL. The advanced NTC chipset lets you set your heater for office from 41-95 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 1 degrees Fahrenheit increments, delivering smart, energy-saving comfort tailored to your needs. Diario's desk heater uses a brushless DC motor and winglet fan design to reduce turbulence, operating as quietly as 34 dB for peaceful comfort. Number 3. Honeywell Space Heater. Rating 4.5. The Honeywell Heat Genius ceramic heater provides 6 customized heat settings to give you control of your comfort. This personal heater features a programmable thermostat and easy-to-control, personalized comfort for any room of your home. This large room heater offers multiple safety options including 3x overheat protection and thermal insulated wiring. It features Cool Touch plastic housing, tip-over protection, and a 2-hour auto-off heat phase timer option. Always be comfortable, no matter what season it is. This air heater offers intelligent and powerful ceramic heating capabilities, so your room or floor area can be warm and comfortable with just the touch of a button. Number 2. Portable electric heaters. Rating 4.6. Drio Space Heaters for Indoor combines Hyperamix 1500W advanced PTC system with a new heat funnel design to deliver heat within seconds and enhance warm air circulation for up to 200% farther reach than traditional heaters. Drio goes beyond the unexpected to deliver peace of mind with every room heater. The innovative tilt detection sensor improves accuracy and reliability for better tip-over protection and is built with V0 flame retardant materials, overheat protection, and a safety plug, all certified by ETL. The enhanced NTC chipset brings more precision to turn your space heater with thermostat into a smart heating powerhouse, allowing you to set the heat on a wider range from 41-95 degrees Fahrenheit with 1 degrees Fahrenheit increments, saving you energy while keeping you comfortable. Number 1. Space Heaters for Indoor Use. Rating 4.7. This portable heater for indoor use combines 2 heating modes, 1500W/900W, with a fan function. Room heater for office space heater paired with eco mode. Desk heater for office space heater automatically adjusts power output based on ambient temperature differences, 41-95 degrees Fahrenheit, unifying energy efficiency with comfort to meet heating needs across all seasons. Small heaters for indoor use built-in overheat protection and automatic tip-over shutoff ensure safety. The small heater for office space heater automatically powers down after 24 hours of continuous operation. Even after the electric heater's LED display turns off, a 30-second residual heat dissipation program runs. A small heater for office space provides comprehensive safety for use in bedrooms and offices. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.